I'm interrupting your doom scrolling because you need to try these wellness cubes. They're made with beet, ginger, turmeric, and lemon, packed with antioxidants, iron, and anti-inflammatory benefits. A couple cubes a day helps to boost your energy, supports healthy blood flow, and fights fatigue the natural way. It's the easiest way to get your daily wellness boost and no supplements needed. Save this and follow along for more recipes.
God, I ask that you change my appetite. I ask that you strip away the cravings of sugars and processed carbs. Lord, I ask that you give me a renewed and refined understanding on what it is to eat a nutritious diet. Lord, allow me to crave things that are healthy for my body, things that are beneficial for my body, things that fuel my body, and things that make me feel good. Lord, I know it's going to have to start in my mind, so right now I'm asking you to transform my mind in Jesus' name.
If you're craving a milkshake with that unique Biscoff flavor, this one's for you. Add 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream for a super creamy texture, 1 tablespoon Lotus Biscoff spread for that rich caramel flavor, and 400 ml cold milk to keep it refreshing and smooth. Blend until smooth and frothy. Pour into a glass, top with whipped cream, drizzle warmed Lotus Biscoff spread, and finish with crushed Lotus biscuits for a crunchy topping. Enjoy every sip.